As you can see on the illustration of the structural model, we have the base, which is made out of bond paper that was attached together using the tape and stuffed with crumpled paper that will help support the structure. The crumpled scratch paper, which was used to help support the structure and prevent it from leaning down. And the 208 centimeter structure, which is shaped into a tube, then inserted inside the base and was supported by the crumpled papers inside. Here, we have the distribution of roles for each member, collection and preparation of the needed materials, planning and designing the structure, which was done by the civil engineer, construction of the structure using the collected materials. We have the scratch papers, tape and scissors, measuring the height of the structure, and testing the stability of the structure. The procedure were done with precautionary measure, especially in dealing with sharp objects. It was also documented by the members. In constructing the structure, the construction engineer will gather all the needed materials for the experiment. Then, the engineer will create the base and the building structure using the required materials in the activity. The base was constructed mainly using the bond paper and tape. It will be made or shaped into a box, and it will be secured using the tape, and make sure to make the base wide. After completing the structures of the building together with its base, it will then be assembled together for testing. Before testing the stability, the construction engineer will measure the height of the building structure and double-check the final output to make sure that everything is placed correctly. Then, the construction engineer will proceed to testing how strong can the structure withstand the wind. The position of a structure's center of gravity, or COG, plays an important role with its stability. When a stable structure is tilted, its center of gravity rises. This is very important because when the tilting force is removed, gravity pulls the structure back to its original position. When an unstable structure is tilted, however, its center of gravity moves downwards. If the COG moves outside of the base area, gravity will make the structure topple over. A basic explanation for stability states that the lower the center of gravity is, the more stable the object is. The higher the COG is, the more likely the object is to topple over. Increasing the area of the base will also increase the stability of the structure or object. The bigger the base or area, the more stable the object. There are many causes of structural failure. These include the following: poor design, fatigue and failure of materials, failure of a component or joint. Failure occurs because of loads acting on the structure. A structure which will not topple over easily when acted upon by a load is said to be stable. In order to gain a better understanding about stability, it is important for us to know and understand center of gravity.